Hi guys, what's up? It's your girl Charla from That Girl Cooks Healthy. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this vegan style carrot pudding. Really easy, blender friendly pudding. So let's get to it. Hi guys, what's up? It's your girl Charla from That Girl Cooks Healthy. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this vegan style carrot pudding. Really easy, blender friendly pudding. So let's get to it. So what we need to do now is we need to add all of the ingredients to our blender. So I'm using a high-speed blender for this recipe. I do recommend having a high-speed blender for this recipe. So all you need to do now is add the ingredients to the blender. I start off by adding my wet ingredients first. I put them at the bottom because they're near to the blade, and when it comes to breaking down the carrot, it's going to be a lot easier with the wet ingredients at the bottom. So just add the wet ingredients, and then there's no particular order in terms of adding the wet ingredients. You just want to add them first and then you add your carrots. I just tend to add the carrots last. That's just something that I would recommend doing, having the carrots at the top. So I'll show you what you need to do once you've added all the ingredients. So now that we've added all the ingredients, we just need to put the lid on the blender, and we just want to puree it at high speed. Like I said, I'm using my Ninja blender, so you do want to use a high speed blender for the pudding. Also as well, you want to have some plant-based milk on standby, because you might find you might need just to add a little bit more just to give it a helping hand, especially if you don't have a high-speed blender. But you don't want to add too much milk beforehand because it might make it too runny. The consistency is going to be on the thicker side, and once it's pureed, I will show you guys what it looks like. So the mixture should have pureed, so I'm going to just stop the machine and remove the lid. Then I'm going to grab a spoon and show you guys what the consistency should look like. So it's very important that it should be on the thicker side. It should not be extremely runny. If it's too runny, then something went wrong in terms of the quantity of liquid. But everything is in the description box in terms of the ingredients that I'm using and the amount that you need. Now all you need to do now is to grab a bowl or some bowls and just pretty much scoop it into the bowl. As you can see, when I'm putting it in the bowl, you can see that the texture or the consistency is quite thick, and that is how it should look. This is a great carrot pudding recipe. I'm not really a big carrot fan, but this recipe was one that I just made up a few years ago, and I actually served it to my family and also some guests, and they really do like it. You can serve it in some really cute glasses if you want to make it more fancy, or you can do what I do and just put it in bowl. It doesn't make a large quantity. Usually it's about, say, 2, unless you split it in some very small bowls or small glasses to make it fancy. But it's really good. Please make this recipe. It's not extra sweet as well, but if you do have a sweet tooth and you like a little bit of sugar, you know, you don't want too much, you just want to have something that tastes slightly sweet, this is the best pudding for you. And it is vegan friendly as well. So if you're vegan, it's great for you. If you're not vegan, then be open-minded and try the pudding. I promise you that if you love carrots, this recipe is one that you're going to enjoy. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and please make the recipe. That would make my day. You won't regret it, and I will catch you on the other side.